I think Deepavali, but I don't think so. Here we have people celebrating, right? Anyone? Oh, all celebrating, I know. If yes, then let me know. We can discuss Deepavali question. Okay, well, so today we'll be going through the revision on the question. So I would like to, to start off with this question paper. Today I want to go through the paper two, right? Paper two. Perhaps I'll choose some of the good question to let you have a look on it, right? Because maths paper, if let's say I choose some of the trial paper from other states, yeah, it could be interesting, Hopefully you all can do well. Let me see. Today we go through this paper first lah. Okay, yes. So this is one of the state paper. I just want to test your knowledge on how to do this question, right? Okay, so everyone, you see, draw the, okay, this is something like I want to ask you whether do you know how to solve matrix or not? Is it? Because they say using matrix method, find the price. So please take note on this question. Sawadika, there was actually Japan, Thailand. My Thailand friend here. Okay. You all read this question. Perhaps I paste it onto another whiteboard, easier for you to see in one page, because I think, yeah, too small if I zoom out and zoom out. Okay, so ready? Yeah, read the question and hopefully you can answer it without any problem, right? Yeah, so what else is like you need to see while you read? I want you to observe, what is that called? Observe the diagram. And this question is 6 marks, 6 markah. Untuk soalan ini, supaya kamu tahu bagaimana guna cara matrix. Oke, bukannya dengan cara persamaan serentak ya. Kena tengok baik-baik. Okay, start reading and take out test pad or workbook to write your working and your, what's that called? The equation to solve it, right? Okay, hopefully you can do well without any problem. Okay, are you doing? Good. So this question, hopefully y'all can solve without any problem when you read, right? The first thing is to build the equation. You must build the equation to, after that, convert to matrix method. I mean matrix formula. Then you just use inverse matrix then to solve. Okay, kena ingat matrix rongsangan untuk selesaikan soalan ini. Okay, boleh faham? Okay. Good, Yicheng, got the answer. Well done. Let's discuss it now. Everyone in Jeshamil bercara memasang jubin pada lantai 2 buah wakaf di halaman rumahnya. Beliau akan menggunakan jubin berbentuk segi empat sama berwarna hitam dan putih. Ia akan disusun mengikut corak seperti di Raja Empat. Setelah menghubungi kedai jubin, kos pembelian jubin untuk wakaf 1 ialah RM72 dan wakaf 2 ialah RM140. Dengan menggunakan kaedah matriks, kira harga sekeping jubin putih dan sekeping jubin hitam. Okay, actually I'm very good MC. Last time, what's that called? Yeah, people hire me to be the wedding MC, corporate dinner event MC. Yeah, my friend, and friends, client, they recommend me. So y'all do not know, huh? Right? Yeah, I'm what's that called? Used to be the MC on the stage, right? Yeah, so you like my voice, right? Some of the advertisement, you heard the voice, right? Hey, looks like my voice, right? Yeah, advertisement. Yeah, so you see this question, very important that if you want to write the first two equation, you have to get the information from the, given diagram, because this is like, they use this, the floor tiles, and this is also another floor tiles, right? So you have gazebo. This is called gazebo, all right? Gazebo. So the thing is, you have to know how to put the first equation. You have to see carefully when you, after reading ready, The first two equations is so important before you continue to do the solution. Okay, so you have to build the equation based on they say what's that called? This one, the cost. They give you the cost. 72 ringgit. Okay, and 140 ringgit. So you got two reservoirs, so got two total here. Then you always start, if you don't know what to do is, you always start with this. Look at the last sentence. What they want you to find, which is price of white tiles and price of black tiles. You let it be X and Y. Then you can continue asking yourself, yeah, so that you know, right? For this is how you calculate, right? The calculate on this, like you see how many X for the white tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4X plus how many black? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Must equals to 72 ringgit. They must count how many black, how many white. This is your equation 1. Right? Equation 2, you have to know on the cost is total 140 ringgit. So it's how many X plus how many Y. Or white tiles, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10X. And the black tiles, you see, you calculate by yourself, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, do you see? Do you get the same equation? Correct or not? Double check, double check. Then you can actually, what is that called? To make it simplified, yeah, you can go ahead, divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. You will get this, okay? Perhaps label this as 1. Yeah, and then second equation, you can simplify divided by what? 10. Okay, divided by 10. This will be your equation 2, easier to simplify on the spot because equation, you can do that, right? If equation, you can do that. So convert to the matrix form. You must open 3 brackets. Put the coefficient 1, 3, 1, 2, positive 2, positive 3 together. So 1, 3, 1, 2, X and Y, 18 and 14. Okay, do you understand? And then I want to find X, Y. This one bring there become inverse. You get 1, 3, 1, 2. And you know how to find inverse matrix? 1 over 2 times 1, 3 times 1. Okay, and then change place, change sign. Some of you forgotten already, huh? Please recall back. And you have to know when you do this, you have to take row times column to get each of the element. So you multiply. And what do you get? Which is 36. You can use your calculator, double check your answer because you must know don't make mistake. You get -6, and then 18 plus 14 is -4. And then only you multiply with the -1 outside there, you get +6, +4, and therefore you should double check price of white house, which is the X equals to 6 ringgit. I can rewrite the conclusion by stating the wordings here. Okay, price of black tiles, it will be equals to 4 ringgit. That's your answer. You see how easy is that? Okay, hopefully got no problem and you can solve it without any issue. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next question will be distant time graph question. I wish that y'all can do it without any problem and you still can recall back how to solve. Okay, one by one. So you're finished copying? If you're finished copying, oh wait, those have done. This is next question. You can screenshot it and you can easily double check. Okay, next question, I want you to try to see how fast you can solve it without any problem. Okay, can do or not? Very good, Yi Cheng. Also, you get the answer ready. Well, the others also have to do it now. Okay, so that all of you can easily solve it, right? Without any problem. Okay, I saw the other few more answer from Shafika, Anki, Natasha. Very good. Well done to all of you. Very active giving answer. That's the way. Okay, hold on. I make it bigger over here. Okay, make it bigger, bigger, bigger. Okay. Now, for this question, if you want to solve, you need to know how do you read the distance graph. You have to observe the y-axis, either distance or speed. Kena tengok paksi y apakah dia, jarak atau laju. Kerana baca graf, kena tengok apakah dia punya tajuk, jarak ke laju. Sebab berlainan punya maksud, dia bergaris menaik, menurun atau melintang. Okay, how far from the town B that the car P and car Q meet? So this question, this shows that the car P is traveling from the town A to town B. Okay, and this is the graph. I always label so that I got no problem in study the question later on. And automatic, this is the car Q. So how far from town B to the place that the car P and car Q meet? So how far from the town B to the place that car P and car Q meet? Okay. From the town B to the place that car P and car Q meet. So meeting means the intersection point. Okay, from town B, so it's here. That's the difference. So very simple, you have to find out where they meet. The intersection point is the meeting point. And then you take 350 minus 172. Which is equals to what, ladies and gentlemen? 178 kilometers. And then next, calculate the average speed of the car P from town A to town B. Okay, of the car P from town A to town B. So average speed of the car P from town A to town B. So how? Calculate the average speed of the car P. Means this is the line from town A to town B. Means they want to know the average speed of the car P overall. So average speed formula to find speed. Remember, do sex tonight. Oh, do sex tonight. Distance over time. But I want average, so put a total. Remember, use this to remember forever. Do sex tonight to find speed, distance over time. Okay, total distance straight away 350 kilometer, and the time is like including the resting or whatever, you know, don't worry. So I want you to live in answer in kilometer per hour is 50 kilometer per hour. That's it. And find the value of t if the speed of the car Q for the first t hours is 86. So you have to read carefully. This is another situation. This is the thing of the car Q. So given the speed of the car Q for the first t hours is 86. So you just need to know to find speed. Okay, formula, distance, which is this distance, same, just now we found already, 178. So distance, okay, this is, always remember the unit. Sometimes they try to trap you, is a given is minute, here hour, then people go and multiply, then wrong. It's hour, then you can multiply when you bring up there, right? So it's very direct. If you want to bring up the t here, bring down the 86 here, go ahead, you know. Then your answer t equals to 178 divided by 86. You get how long? They'll ask you to find the value of t, first t hours. Okay, so find the value of t. Is it? Double check. You have to know distance. Yeah, I see a lot of you put T0, 2.07, 2.07. Okay, very good. 2.07 hours. Okay, interesting. Yeah, that is the answer. Do you have any question? Still easy, right? Okay. After that, we'll go to the next question. I want to see better.
My
Huh?
lag. Minimize
Sorry?
the screen. Minimize the screen.
Oh,
The
minimize
icon.
the screen. Okay, okay, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Do you need the question together as well? The question. Dun, 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 dun. Minimize for you to see. So my answer, you see all together. Yeah, you can solve 5 marks question. Okay, now after that, we'll go to the chapter that you don't like also, the rotation and the enlargement and all these things wanna. So good luck, are the best. Finish? Finish, huh? Next, go to question. This one. Okay. No, no. Yeah, I want to show this question also. Wow. Translation. After that, enlargement. After that, we'll have to do this few questions. Describe. It's a long question. You can't run away. Da, 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 da. Hold on, hold on. Let me adjust until beautiful. Become beautiful. Wow, a lot of questions. You see? Wow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it suddenly go too far away. You can see everything clearly. Yes. Long question. Altogether 12 marks. So you try to write the working, how to easily show the working without any problem. Can stop or not? I see some of you haven't given the answer. I mean, not everyone haven't get an answer yet. Hello. Is it very hard to see? Translation is okay, right? The coordinate 1, 2, 3, you can see from the screen. Describe in full, must state all the keywords. And this one, area of image formula equals to k squared times area of object. So altogether 12 marks. I hope that you all can score without any problem. And this one confirm will come out in exam. Okay, no worry. I give the answer first. So check your answer. Transformation T is a translation. Means that you have to know the first question is to use T, right? How I write the working. They want to find the image of M. So the way of writing is M is the coordinate to 2. Under translation T, this is my image. You see how I write my working so nice? So got shortcut or not? 2 plus -2, 0. 2 plus 3, 5. That's the way. When you want to find the image, you take the coordinate plus the translation. If not, you go and shift 1, 2. Go to the left, go up 1, 2, 3. Okay? For question Roman 2, do P or R first? R first, huh? Then only you do P. Buat dari belakang dulu, dari belakang dulu. Then this is your final image of the M. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask you, do you see or not the reflection? Rotation, Only reflection, rotate dulu, buat putaran dulu. So I see, very good, Icheng. Well done. Well done, well done. Okay, so do the rotation. 90-degree clockwise, center for 0. Join the center to the point M. Clockwise, go to like this. So this is the point, 90-degree clockwise. After that, reflection on the x-axis. 1, 2, 1, 2. Reflection here. You see, the reflection is using this x-axis, so you must know how to write the answer. Earlier is 6, 2. After that, 6, -2. Wow, good, well done to all of you, Enki also. Okay, question B. Now, they always ask you to describe because they want to test you on how to write in full completely. So WV means do V first, and you must know who is object, who is image. They say ELKJ, this is the big image of who, ABCD, this is the object. So before you enlarge, because you must do something first, right? How do I know this, to this is what? Reflection or reflection or translation. Okay, first of all, take the corresponding line. BC corresponding to who? FG. Do you see that? So it's confirmed rotation because you see the line already got this shape, L shape, confirm 90 degree. Okay. Yeah, because direction change, so it's a rotation. Then after that will be enlargement. This could be the step. So how to write the keywords of the rotation? Nah, tulis semua kata kunci untuk putaran. You have to show what? DAC, D direction, A angle, and C center. Kena tunjuk 3 benda iaitu arah, sudut, dan pusat untuk menerangkan atau menghuraikan putaran selengkapnya. So it's a clockwise or anti-clockwise? It's clockwise because you see it's a clockwise adalah arah jam. Putaran arah jam. Arah ikut jam also can. How many degree? 90 degree. And the center is the one that challenging. Okay, at center, where is the center? You take the point and the point, you can join. You see two line. You see like that lah. You have to practice more at center, -2, 2. Sometimes you have to know how it works. Okay, you pick a point, then you try to join the corresponding point towards the center. And then W is enlargement. Okay, with scale, scala, and then how to calculate scala, scale. Remember that always use image over object, you know. So this is something like you have to make yourself remember, okay? Because if you don't know how to remember the scale formula, I also always let my student to remember the song. Ayo, formula ayo. Ayo. Oh, you like yo? Yo, ayo, image over object. Ayo. Ayo. Oh, good, huh? Your friend asked a question. Oh, for the rotation, huh? This one, you potong steam. I sing the song halfway, you potong steam. Hello. My formula to find scale of enlargement is what? Ayo. Ayo. Because students remember wrongly. Go and wrong. Ayo. So image over object. Hold on. You take the image. This is the image. Corresponding line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over the object. 6 over 2 lah. Is 3. Yeah, 3 times. And then at center, haven't finished. Let me finish. At center where? How to find center? Take the point and point, join one line. Take the point and corresponding point, join one line. The intersection is here. This is the the center, which is -3, 5. At center, -3, 5. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That's how you do. No problem. Okay, for these rotations, how to find center, you can use compass. But then it's very leceh. Okay, always a lot of students, they stuck in this finding center of the rotation. If you use compass, you have to find a few steps, to solve. So everyone, those who use compass, you take corresponding point and a point, then draw the, bisector. After that, you take another point, for example, this point and this point lah. Okay, corresponding perpendicular bisector. And the intersect here, wow, it will be the, what's that called? Center. So you find the perpendicular bisector of the both corresponding point. That will be the center. So this also you can use compass to help you. Unless you don't want the compass, you use my method is like you take two corresponding line. I mean, you can take, what's that called? Point and point lah, easier. The point, and then you try to connect to the center. If you put here center, it's not 90 watt. You try to adjust the center. Okay, you adjust the center here. Okay, then you join. It can see 90 degree. Then confirm this is the center. Practice makes perfect. That's right, center. A lot of people don't know. Normally, you can try and error. Put the point here. Put the point here. Then it's too long here, too short here. Then it's not center. Then you have to change. So that's a try and error. Yeah. Because faster than you use the compass. Compass have to do that, do this. Try and error is like very simple. You can see the 2 points, and then you try to, get to connect to a center. If you take these 2 points, and you see the center must also produce the 90 degree in between the 2 lines, and same length for these 2 lines. Okay, I'll confirm here the center. Boleh faham ah? Can or not? Okay. Intersection of the 2 perpendicular line will be the center. Faham, Brian. Okay, welcome. Okay, this question, number 2. Calculate the area. So, area of the region represented by EFGH. They want to find this, which is the area of object. Always, how to do is, always write the formula first. Under enlargement formula, area of image equals to area of object times k square. Okay, luas image sama luas objek darat dengan k kuasa 2. So area of image is what? They give you given the shaded region which is not included the area of the object because area of the image is including the object inside. So this is, I let it be x. So the area of image is actually the shaded region plus x. Correct. Equals to area of object, which is x also, times k squared. You see? 248 plus x equals to 9x. So 8x equals to 248. And your answer, x is equals to what? The area of object? 31. Very good. Meter square or not centimeter? That's your answer. I let x equals to the area of the EFGH. You can replace that. Or you want to write the conclusion? Area of, okay, I label as EFGH. equals to 31 meter square. Also can. Luas EFJ sama dengan 31. Can do this question, right? Hello. You all have to do well. If not, wasted the mass. Finish copying. Question, let me know. If you have any problem, also let me know. Okay. After that, we go to next question. That maybe is a bonus mark question for all of you. What is that? The logical reasoning. Habis, huh? Okay. We go to next question. I want you to answer me and type in the chat box so that I can see all of you can do well in the questions here. Wow, I see the answer from Natasha, Yi Cheng, Brian. Thank you. Okay, good. Let's discuss the answer. As you can see, all or some two-dimensional matrices have an inverse matrix. Some cannot be all. Sebilangan. Why? You can find the proof to yourself, right? If let's say their magnitude here equals 0, then cannot already. Okay? Meaning A, B, C, D, right? This is matrix A. If you can prove AD minus BC equals 0, confirm no inverse. You must jot down this. There are some matrix when you minus got 0. Write down two implication. You have to fill in the blank because they will prepare for you. Implication 1 is number of subset for set P is 8. When you see if and only if, nampak tak juga dah juga, then this one equals to 3. Implication 2, you can write if terbalik lah. Then maka juga maka number of subset for set P is 8. Correct? And question C, buat satu kesimpulan deduksi. Means heptagon is when n equals 7. So n minus 7 minus 2 times 180. And this is the conclusion you can make, which is 900 degrees. Is that okay? Why you're so quiet? It's okay, not okay? Also, no sound. I feel so weird. Can or not?
Boleh solat seterus.
Boleh boleh. I want to test your probability. Ladies and gentlemen, 6-mark question is coming out now. Boleh seterusnya. Oh, your first time. Oh, I heard your friends say. Normally say, I need to take some time to copy Okay, this is a very good question, and I will give you the table for you to fill up. Ta-da! It can mean also. Oh my God, just now, huh? I went to, just because my house here going to rain already. So I went to collect my shirt, my clothes, lor. Then something not logic lah. I still cannot find the logic. You all learn mathematics or logical reasoning is so important that can make our brain, function very well. And what happened just now was I went to collect, my clothes. Then I found that one underwear, dropped on the floor and it's wet. I like this morning I pushed out to make it dry outside. I didn't see anything drop, ma. The underwear is hanging, but then like, hey, how come this underwear is wet? Other clothes are dry, and there's no rain just now, and it's like, why so weird one? And the underwear, I mean all the clothes are already like let it outside for one night already. It's like almost drying, and then got one underwear is so wet, like totally, with water like that. Not logic lah. I couldn't see. I need to check my CCTV. Oh, something not right lah. All the clothes except one underwear. So many clothes. Got shirt lah, got pants lah, got underwear lah, everything lah. But one underwear is dropped on the floor wet. How come? So weird. Oh, not logic. And no rain just now. And I let it dry. The pipe water leaking. No, I didn't see pipe water leaking. So not logic, huh? You all learn logic if or then, right? If then, implication, if and only if, right? Oh, I cannot see. Why only one piece of underwear? So many others, nothing. And it dropped on the floor, like near to the whole clothes hanging. So weird. I cannot imagine who go and drop it. Who go and nobody so weird one. Until I also keep on thinking, what is the logic leh? Cannot see the logic. Got ghost, Enki, this is the logic. Yeah, same as Brian say, go call Ghostbuster or not. I cannot imagine the whole concept, the whole thing is like not gel together. Cannot, what is it called? Synchronize lah. Calculate the probability also cannot. The probability to have rain just now and yesterday is 0 yesterday night. And then this morning I pushed out, I didn't see anything drop also. So the probability is so low, 0.002. Drop on the floor, dry, okay. Drop on the floor, wet. And then I went to smell the water. I went to smell, it's like, so must find, investigate, Yeah, need to email them. Maybe lah. Cannot really, what's that called? Understand why. Unless my CCTV can see what is going on yesterday until this morning, right? Your house got CCTV, right? Can check, so nice, but don't know which CCTV, right? So many CCTV. I have to one by one check, not this one. Yeah, because my house, what is that called? Don't have gate one, don't have gate, so that's right. But don't worry, will come over here. Can see yesterday and today where it dropped. So to make sure that I know, very peaceful. I didn't see anything drop. Then I went to push. Okay, then after that I went just now and collect it. This angle cannot see. So how would you actually suspect anything? No lah, very clean one, my house. This one can see the underwear. See the underwear got dropped before I push or not? Seems weird. No. Okay, this morning. Or unless the bird came over and then push. The bird went to take the underwear and then fly over and then fly back and then put there. The bird go and help me to wash also. This morning, early morning, I woke up. I think, yeah, already dropped since yesterday. No. Oh, yeah, lor. The whole thing dropped so long already. Can zoom in. Can zoom in. Hiyo. You all finished already, class? Yeah, dropped already since yesterday afternoon. Means this morning I didn't notice. You know why? Because the underwear is gray color and the floor also gray color. So that's why I cannot see. No wonder. Okay. That's my mistake. My house address, let them go to your house. I see. You will help me to email them. Oh, very good. Well done. Conclusion, the floor color must be more bright. Cannot be more. Yeah, no, the floor color cannot have same color as underwear. Cannot, also very weird. Then the floor have to depends on the color of the underwear. Very weird. The color of the underwear cannot equals to the floor color. So you see, do maths is so easy. You like to link the maths equation, inequality. Yeah, interesting. The probability also you can calculate like that, right? Yeah lah. The possible outcome, whether it drop on the floor or never drop on the floor, whether it's dry or not dry. So many things. So life is like that. You learn maths, it will help you to create a lot of logical thinking to link. So a lot of people, they cannot find the logic, then they say ghost lah, all this thing lah. So never mind, we just need to solve equation and solve mathematics. Oh, you're complete only. This one is bonus mark. You know why? Because they scared you cannot do other question. They purposely give you this question. Are you all laughing? Or all the while I laugh alone myself? Feel sad, When I laugh alone, okay, I create the joke and then I have to make the sound effect laughing myself. Yeah. Actually got parents caught up. They straight away say, why my daughter always laughing in my class, man? Laugh in front of the screen. I also worry. What happened? The mother called me to ask, what happened? I said, oh, because my joke, I think, yeah, I like to joke in the class so that although online class is not boring at all, in my class, always have fun and you will be excited. Yeah. Suddenly, still laughing. Your friends say, good. Continue, laugh. Laugh. Laughing can make you younger. Don't believe, right? Okay. So question, find the probability. That's the formula you need to know, which is probability of any event. You have to count how many events over the total sample space lah, right? Already built a table. Got shortcut or not? Yes. Two cards chosen have same letter. Just label like this. Same letter. Two cards chosen, same letter. The total combination you have how many possible outcome here? 5 times 5, 25. Out of 25, same letter. CC or OVVIIDD. Only 5, right? So simplify your answer 105. So easy. Oh, this one. First card, vowel. Second card, consonant. Oh, vowel, consonant. So you have to see vowel. First card, vowel, OI only, OI. So vowel, consonant, OC, OV, OD, IC, IV, ID lo. Correct? Any more possible way? They already fixed for you. First must be vowel. Second must be consonant. So only 6 out of 25. That's it. Simple. Yeah, and some people actually want to show the working like this, right? That you all learn, right? Let's say without the table, right? You can use the tree diagram. So, tree diagram. First cut. Second cut. Okay, COVID. Okay, you see? COVID, COVID. This is tree diagram, so you won't miss any possible outcome. But some of you learn this way, right? How to actually calculate, is it correct, 5 over 25? So each of the probability here is 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5. Same thing here, I make it all fair to choose one of them, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5. So same letter, CC. You take 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 lor. 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 lor. V 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 of the probability of choosing B and B. First cut 1 over 5, second cut 1 over 5, in between multiply. I 1 over 5 times 1 over 5 lor. D 1 over 5 times 1 over 5. And what happened here is you get 1 over 25, 1 over 25, 1 over 25, 1 over 25. And you must understand that I want the probability that, you know, all of them add up together lah. This 5 of them add up together. Is it 5 or 25? Same letter. So this is another way of working, right? Using multiplication one. That recently the syllabus for this chapter changed a little bit. Oh, very good. Very important that you have to see the working, whereby another key thing you must learn, or and. Luckily your friend saw that. Hold on, class. This question got ayo, atau means what? First cut is vowel or the second cut is so this question got more answer for question Roman 2. Double check because of the word or, they didn't say and. If and confirm, Roman 2 is 6 over 25. If let's say and. Because you say or, first cut or, first cut vowel or second cut consonant, then got a lot of answer already. First cut vowel can have what answer? First cut vowel, this one, 5. Okay, first cut vowel and second cut consonant. Got more answer already. Second cut consonant. You see? Yeah, don't care because as long as second cut consonant or first cut vowel, I also want. How many of them? 5, 10, 15, 19. So answer is 19 over 25. For question Roman 2, because of the word or, nampak tak perkataan atau? So jawapannya lah 19/25. Okay, must always refer to the keyword or and because answer different. 21 eh? 19, right, class? First cut vowel, second cut. 19, right? Tengok salah. Okay, good. So very good. It's interesting where you learn this question and you try to use another method to solve and you get the same answer. And remember this chapter probability, you have to know all and all means I can take, I know anything that got this that I also take. And then you must have both satisfied. Then only got 6 over 25. Understand the difference? All and n, answer different one, you know. So the question, the answer is 19 over 25. Okay, so very good. that means later on MS and those not taking MS, I shall see you on next week because this month we have to know got 3 lesson only, right? Very fast, very sad, no? Okay. So I hope that you all are able to score. Okay, I'll see you again next week or this evening. Okay, thank you, class. Bye-bye. Happy Deepavali. Enjoy your holiday again. Yeah. Welcome, Jay. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, Alia, Jingyi, Shafi, Liana, Unki, Brian. Bye. Take care, everyone. Ning, Ning. Okay, Natasha. Bye-bye, Cheng. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Anson.
Oh, Kim Long, bye. Why got
I have
so many one fun education?
the other person just in charge to do the recording. Oh.
Oh, not only one person do
One
everything.
person they open 2 or 3 accounts.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yes, don't need to worry.